स्वागतं शुभमध्याह्नः पुनः भानुवासरे रविवासरे भोजनानन्तरं भवन्तः आगतवन्तः संस्कृत ज्ञानं प्राप्तुम् इति महान् सन्तोषः स्वागतं तु अस्माभिः प्रातःकालस्य पाठांशे किं किं पठितं सतिसप्तमी इत्यस्य प्रसक्तिः किम् एतत् सतिसप्तमी इति वयं किञ्चित् ज्ञातवन्तः प्रायः तत्र क्लेशाः स्युः पुनः एकवारं वक्तुं प्रयतामि विभिन्नरीत्या so I will just use English for simplicity so that at least the focus on the material is not lost so normally Shatru Pratyaya okay we have learned the normal usage okay Ramah Gachan Asti going he is अथवा Gachantam Ramam Sita Pashyati the Rama who is going as an object Sita sees many vibhaktis we see we saw Saptami vibhakti also we have seen simple application Rame mama vishwasah asti Rame mama bhaktihi asti etadrisha prayogah where the person in Saptami Rame is the adhikarana for my bhakti etc in a normal sense but now there is a wonderful mechanism available for using this adhikarana karaka or the Saptami vibhakti for making it like a condition okay what is a condition in a sentence when A happens B happens or when A is happening then B will happen when A happened B happened following that these kind of conditions when then you or you can put in other words in English as upon something happening something else happened will happen is happening also some variations like this okay so or something should happen can be also that way mandation the second action can be mandation okay so this style of upon action A action B should happen this kind of stylization is possible in a couple of ways in Sanskritam of course okay one is simply yada tada yadi tarhi these variations right so if else this kind of yada tada is a little bit more Saptami Vibhakti style because yada has a temporal questioning right when then yada tada is exactly when then okay so when is a little bit temporal in the sense condition right when something happens so hooked on to the time of that thing happening something else is happening like that okay so you can use yada tada normally so yada ramah griham gacchati tada lakshmanah api tatra agavachati something like that okay yada ramah griham prati gacchati tada lakshmanah api tatra gacchati or gamishyati you can also say okay to say in future he will do that gacchati is a
Mahodaya,
open end yes Mahodaya
what is the difference between Twanta Lyapanta and Sati Saptami?
I will take that question okay
Oh, okay.
so now so that that is the yada tada sense okay just hold on to your question sir if I forget you just knock me again I will come back to
Okay.
you
Okay.
okay so so this is the yada tada business this yada tada can also be in a proud way in a good compact high quality sentence be generated in Sanskritam using this Sati Saptami Prayoga also is what they are trying to teach us okay and the first candidate the important thing in Sati Saptami Prayoga is there has to be some action one conditioned upon which an action 2 takes place minimum 2 actions are required okay and the action 1 is the condition which we call as gnyapakah and the action 2 is the gnyapyah which is the target action which will ensue because of action 1 occurring this action 1 can be an in Shatru or Shanach Rupa. In the sense, when we'll use Shatru Shanach, when something is occurring, then something else happens. When you want to say that is occurring, okay, or was occurring, this kind of variations, that is when you use Shatru Shanach technique to put the action one. See, in a sentence, there can only be one action. There is a law in grammar that ekating vakyam, it is like a very fundamental rule. Ekating vakyam. In bhasha, something is a vakya when there is one thing and no more than one thing, like that. Okay. You can sometimes string two sentences to make it appear as if there are two things, but then there are actually two sentences connected with a cha or something like that. Okay, not a full stop, maybe ardha virama, something like that. But ekating vakyam is the fundamental. So how can then there be two kriyavachakas? For that, Sanskritam has this technology of putting clausal kriyavachakas. Clausal kriyavachakas in many Kridanta styles, right? And just now Mahodaya popped up the question, Tvanta, Lyabanta, Shatranta, etc. Yeah, some of these are these clausal kriyavachakas. Okay. In Tvanta and Lyabanta, okay, there is an avyaya bhava. Okay, it is not so much related to the karta. It is an impersonal kriya. Okay, kritva, whether balah karoti, ramah karoti, sita karoti, mitram karoti, kritva ityeva bhavati. And the tvanta is like having done, like that. Who does it doesn't influence the kridanta form of tvanta. And same with lyabanta is an alternative available. That is for upasarga. When upasarga exists, we use that, right? Okay, so the tvanta also is a clausal verb, just like Mahodaya was pointing out. What is this new thing in Saptami about clausal, conditional verb being there? Tvanta was also conditional verb. 100% correct. 100% correct. But there is no temporal aspect brought into the equation so much as in Sati Saptami. Like having done A, somebody does B. There is no condition that he should do A and then only when he does A will B happen, something like that. There is no expectation of linkage like that. Okay, so that is the subtle variation. But indeed, yes, the two actions happen in sequence. So Ramaha bhojanam kritva griham gacchati. But there is nothing like if he doesn't do bhojana, he cannot go home, something like that. No. Okay. So Ramaha griham gacchati can also be happening irrespective of whether he eats the lunch or not. Okay. But when we want to say he did this and then he did that, that is when you use tvanta. Ramaha bhojanam kritva griham gacchati, something like that. Okay, so that is the simple usage of tvanta. So you cannot really say there is a jnapya jnapaka bhava there. Okay, there is only a prathama karyam and dvitiya karyam there. That's all. Okay, so that is the subtle variation between. Whereas if you use a shatranta kriyavachaka, or you can use actually a tvanta. Sorry, not tvanta. You can use a kta anta or a tavatu anta. Okay, tanta tavat tvanta, something like that. Okay, so if you can also use those. So shatru shatru and shanach go hand in hand, guys. Okay, you know that. So it's basically which one you have to apply and for what type of verb. That's all. Okay, and the other two, they all can be a what you call as a gate opener for the main event that will happen next. Okay, so there can be the launch or the condition nimitta, we call it. Okay, so that type of sense can be generated in these type of kridantas. First, today we are learning how to use shatru shanach for that. Okay, our focus of lesson today is only on Shatru Chanach for that. Why? Because we coming from Shatru Chanach learning in the earlier lessons. So the first step that Samskrita Bharati is taking us is how to use this special Saptami case when that Saptami case has a clausal verb. Okay, that means Kriya Vachaka, okay, Kridanta in Saptami Bhava attached to some person doing that action, of course, and conditioned upon that action happening, something else happens. So that is what they are teaching us, and it's typically called Sati Saptami in the terminology, grammar terminology, because we tend to use the word Sati in between the clausal, what you call the Jnapaka portion of the sentence and the Jnapnya portion of the sentence. We put a Sati and its variant, of course, depending on the Vachana and Linga and all that. Okay. Now, Sati itself is actually a Shatranta. Okay, Sati itself is a Shatranta. So, as dhatoho Shatrantra rupam sat iti tasya saptamyam sati satyoho satsu. Okay, satyam satyoho satishu. It simply means upon being, upon two things being, upon many things being, and that is in Pullinga and Napumsaka, and this is in Strilinga. So when I just state like that, upon something being, upon some two things being, upon some many things being, it just finally concludes without taking the number out of the equation. Upon something being means upon something occurring. Also, the sense is there. Okay, upon something occurring. So this is a additional word that can be attached to another more active action. Okay, or you can just use this alone also. Okay. If suppose the actual action is to be, okay, then you don't need another verb at all. So for example, Rame Sati Sita Jivati. I'm saying something very significant here, but anyway, Rame Sati Sita Jivati, something like that. So upon Rama being there, Sita leaves, something like that. Okay, don't worry about the what you call all the philosophy of that sentence. Just I'm saying. Okay, so in fact, maybe I should reverse it. Okay, so that kind of thing. But if Rama is doing some other action and depending on that Sita does something else, then that is when we actually use Sati as an additional placement holder, and we say Rame Gacchati Sati. Okay, Gacchati is Saptami Ekavachana of Gacchat in Pullinga, which is declining as Gacchan, Gacchantaho, Gacchantaha, blah 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 blah. Gacchati, Gacchatyoho, Gacchatsu, something like that. Gaccatoho, Gacchati, Gaccatoho, Gacchatsu. I'm looking at a blue stat here. Gacchati, Gaccatoho, Gacchatsu. So Rame Gaccati Sati, Sita Tam Drishtayati. Okay, something like that. Okay. Drishtayati, tam pashyati. See how bad our dhatu brain works in strange ways to generate wrong forms. Okay, so pashyati, like that. Okay, so that is the so what they are now teaching us is how to take this Shatranta action word into a Saptami Vibhakti with the karta also being present if required. Okay, or karta is adhyahrita from the context from the earlier sentence also. Okay, maybe. Okay, so this kind of thing, and then conditioned. So that meaning of putting the Shatranta Kriya in Saptami is to generate a what you call upon that thing happening, that sense. Okay, so Rame Vadati Sati, upon Rama telling. This sense is generated from Sati is optional. So Rame Vadati, like that. Okay, so don't read this Vadati as a thing. When you see a sentence like this and you see this, though it has that identical form as Vadati in the normal Kriya Pada declension table, this is actually a Kridanta Vadat. Okay, and that is in Pullinga declining to Vadati in Saptami Ekavachana as well as in Napumsakalinga. Mitre Vadati Sati, same thing will generate for Mitra, which is a Napumsakalinga Shabda. And they have shown the same application for ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana, because this Shatranta is a linga specific declension. Its declension is linga specific. It has different form in Strilinga. In Saptami, vadantyam, vadantyoho, vadantishu, starting as vadanti shabda. Okay. So nadi shabdavat approximately we saw that's how it is. Okay. Nadyam, nadyoho, nadishu. Satil, like that. Okay. So that is how Saptami Vibhakti forms of the Shatranta, because it's a Karyavachaka. Moment the Karyavachaka goes into the Saptami, there is this sense of conditionality. It is like as if the Karyavachaka going into Saptami is like us expecting that to become the Adhikarana for another action. Correct? See the Adhikarana Karaka. Adhikarana means a location. Okay. A placement for something else. So this Shatranta going into locative case is literally saying once that location is established, Rame vadati sati, location established, Sita harshayati. Sita will become happy, something like that. Okay, shrunoti, something like that. Okay, so that's what is the sense of Adhikarana Bhava extending to this Sati Saptami Bhava, which they are having a technical title we saw earlier, Bhava Lakshana Saptami. Okay, Bhava Lakshana Saptami. So something will happen, something like that. Bhava means something that will happen, right? Bhavati. So Bhava Lakshana Saptami. Okay, so I think I brought in the thing about Tvanta. What your question was fully again what, Mahodaya? Shatranta, Tvanta and Lyabanta, right?
Lapyan.
Lep and Tvanta,
Yes,
we know they are.
They are same.
So Lep and Tva are relatives. We know that they both give the same sense and they have usages under different context. Okay.
Yeah.
So Kshalayitva Prakshalya. That is the difference between Tvanta and Lebanta. When there is an Upasarga with Dhatu, we are forced to use Lebanta, but the meaning is identical to the Tvanta. Of course, the Dhatu's meaning is slightly enhanced due to the presence of the Upasarga, but that has nothing to do with the fact that we cannot use Tvanta with a Upasarga. That's all. It means the same. Lebanta means identical meaning it brings in changing the Dhatu's thing as a having that work having been completed sense. Okay.
When you
Mahodaya.
were explaining my question, lost my Wi-Fi. Sorry.
Sorry.
Sir.
No problem. No problem. I'll you can of course track the recording in the first 10
Yeah,
minutes.
I'll go through the recording.
You go through, huh? Because I
Okay.
went quite on
Mahodaya.
and on about it. Please, Mahodaya.
Can we say that Tvant is in Tvant there are two actions and both the actions are done by one person, and that is
Correct.
not the case in Sati Saptami?
It need not be the case in Saptami. Don't say that is not the case. Need not be the case. Beautiful. The point you brought out is very, very nice, very important. So you cannot, for example, say Ramaha Bhojanam Kritva Sita Vanam Gachati. First only they taught us, no? Don't do this with Tvanta. Tvanta, the two actions, the Tvanta action and the subsequent action, even if it's more than one after that, they all have to be by that person, whatever is the next action. That has to be by the same person, right? Tvanta doesn't change the Karta. Karta is affiliated with the Tvanta as well as the subsequent action. Whereas in this Sati Saptami Prayoga, where Shatranta we are putting in Saptami, etc., the Karta of the first Karya need not be the same as the Karta of the second Karya. It can be.
It can be, is it?
It can be. In a strange way, it can be. So, for example, Aham Tadanim Maya Bhojanam Kurvati Sati. Saptami of whatever. So actually, let me not take Uttama Purusha. Very difficult to take. Okay. So Rame vadati sati Sita shrunoti. Like that you can switch. Whereas, for example, when you use Tvanta, Ramaha uktva सीतां किमपि अन्यत् वदति, something like that. Ramah Santvavachanam uktva सीतां पृच्छति. So that way you have to have Rama only as the karta for whatever follows. You cannot say Ramah uktva Sita gacchati. You cannot. Okay.
Okay.
Very good point. But it can be the same. Because Ramaha can have, if he does one, he does two, that sense can be brought in. Okay.
Yes, Mahoday.
But most commonly you will see a difference in karta. Most commonly you will see difference in karta.
Okay, Mahoday.
So thanks. I had to mute because some noise was coming. So let us jump into the abhyasa. Okay. Maybe with few more of this abhyasa, we will get a little more sense of it. The more sentences we play around with the meaning happening in the mind, the more our clarity is. We saw some examples earlier, so here it is the chance to do some practice of our own. This is first they have given us something very light. Okay, eteshu vakyeshu, amidst these sentences, okay, sat saptami prayoga yuktanam shabdanam, of the words which use sati saptami prayoga, which are having sati saptami prayoga, adaha rekankanam kuruta, underline them. That's all. Okay, very straightforward. This kind of thing unluckily won't come for us final exam, but anyway, it's a good thing. But let's get the meaning of the sentences first. Khage dayamane vrishtihi arabdha. So in the bird, in the act of flying, okay, I'm using the phrase, English phrase in the for the saptami. Okay, remember always I am butlering these translations first, then we will go clean up, no problem. Okay, in the bird, in the flying, actually that actually has to be switched over from in to upon, which is also a saptami in English, right? So upon the bird flying, okay, that is the correct translation now of this phrase. Upon the word flying, vrishtihi arabdha, the rain started off. That means it started raining. In correct English, we switch over to raining, right? So here it is a namapada, vrishti. So rain started, like that we say in Sanskritam. So it now don't think that because the bird flew the rain came. No, don't conclude with that kind of relationship. All that is being told here is, अरे वो पक्षी उड़ गया तब भी वृष्टि, तब भी बारिश आ गया यार बेचारा, ऐसा that time. तो खगे डयमाने सति वृष्टिः आरब्धा. यावत्पर्यन्तं खगः नीडे एव आसीत् तावत्पर्यन्तं वृष्टिः नासीत्. यदा सः डयमानः अभवत् तदा एव वृष्टिः आरब्धा. Something like that. Okay. Okay. So underline khage dayamane. That is the least interesting aspect of learning these sentences. Basically underlining them and saying yes, saptami ekavachana. It's interesting exercise for us to identify the linga, pullinga, because dayamane, rame, that form. Okay, khaga itself gives up khagaha, khage, like that. Okay, khagaha. See the beautiful construction khaga. Kha is sky, ga is goer, go, right? Sky go. So the bird is named as sky goer. What a beautiful name. Okay. Balikasu khidyamanasu santosha varta prapta. What are the two kriya vachakas here? Khidyamana and prapta. These are the two karya vachakas, right? Khidyamana is as regretting. Okay. And then prapta is obtained. So strilinga form, prapta. So why prapta is in strilinga? Because what was prapta? It is a kta. So it's karmani. So it is going, its linga is going with the karma pada, and the karma pada is santosha varta. And because varta is strilinga pada, santosha varta continues to be also strilinga pada. Santosha varta prapta goes to strilinga, and that is the rule of ktantas. Okay. So balikasu khidyamanasu santosha varta prapta. At the time of the girls doing the regretting action or crying, a good news came by. A good news was obtained. Prapta, bhutakridanta karmani. So santosha varta prapta. Obtained by the balikas only, or by the class. Okay. It is not mentioning was obtained by whom. It is focusing on the karma of the varta being obtained. That's all. Okay. But in the context, we would say yes, by the balikas. They were clearly the subjects also, along with anybody else. So definitely by them also it was obtained. Okay. Some
Sir,
good
it
news.
is at the time of crying by girls, no? What?
While. Okay.
While crying, not at the time.
But you can use the phrase at the time. Yes. At the time
Okay, yeah.
the girls were crying, a good news was obtained.
Okay.
Okay. You can also say upon is a little bad English there. At the time is a
Yeah,
little more
doesn't
correct
fit there.
translation. Upon doesn't fit. Upon the girls crying, a good news was obtained. As
Yeah.
if them crying generated the good news, it sounds. That is not the case. See, there is nothing like this. This is the trigger event. That's all. It need not be the trigger for the actual second action. It is the trigger clause for the second thing launching. That's all. Okay. That there is a little sense of this was occurring and then this occurred like that. Okay. At that time. At that time is the correct translation here. Okay, so balikasu kidyamanasu is what we underline. We know it's saptami bahuvachana because asu na, so that is bahuvachana. So 3 and strilinga. Shishushu bhashamaneshu pitaraha santushtaha. Again we have to underline shishushu bhashamaneshu. So here shishuhu pullinga shabda. So bhashamaneshu rameshu like that. Okay, so shishushu bhashamaneshu. Shishu Shabda is like Guru Shabda. So Gurushu Bhashamaneshu, same way Shishushu Bhashamaneshu. Ukaranta Pullinga. This is Akaranta Pullinga. Okay, and so maybe this father had many babies, it appears. Because at least 3 babies need to be involved to push this sentence out. So lucky father. So conditioned upon the kids
fathers, no,
speaking.
Mahodaya. But Pitaraha means father.
Many fathers.
Yeah.
I don't know why I concluded one father. I'm sorry. Okay, so many fathers. So okay, maybe each one had one child. Okay, so shishushu bhashamaneshu pitaraha santushtaha. So the parents, the fathers actually, pitaraha can be loosely translated as parents also. It's available that way also. Okay, because mata cha pita cha pitarau, it is a type of samasa available. Okay, so you can extend it to bahuvachana, I am presuming. Okay, anyway, let us just take it as fathers for now. So pitaraha santushtaha is the active portion. The fathers became happy. Okay, so by what? Shishushu bhashamaneshu pitaraha santushtaha. So upon the children speaking, see, upon gives the correct sense here. Upon the children speaking, conditioned upon the act of children speaking, the fathers became happy like that. Okay, I am saying it in active voice. Here it is. The fathers were happy. That sense is there. Fathers are almost like actually it's a visheshana here. Santushtaha pitaraha. Vishwase spardhamane Lalitaya. So we have to underline Shishushu Bhashamaneshu. I forgot that. And we know actually this is incorrect. I should put 7.3 Pullinga here. Okay, 7.3 Pullinga. So this is what this is. I have shown one of the Shishus due to lack of space. Obviously they are saying Mama, Dada, etc. Vishwase Spardhamane Lalitayah Utsaha Pravruddha. So Vishwase Spardhamane, subject and his action. So Vishwasa is some boy and Lalita is probably his friend or his mother or sister, someone. Okay, so Vishwase Spardhamane, upon the boy Vishwas competing. Okay, Lalitayaha Utsaha Pravruddha, the encouragement, utsaha, not, I cannot translate it as encouragement here. The energy level, okay, the happy feeling, that kind of thing. Over exaltation, correct. Exaltation is the correct translation. So the exaltation feeling of Lalita increased. She became more exultant like that to see her brother or son or someone competing. Nyayadhishe kshamamane. So that one, Saptami, Ekavachana, Pullinga, so that we know. Nyayadhishe kshamamane choraha dhavitavan. Upon the judge excusing, okay. So upon the judge excusing. So in the judge, in the excuse is the Butler translation. In the judge, in the excusing, okay. The robber ran away. So this is in Bhuta Ktavatu form here. Okay. So
Mahodaya, we can
Saptami
use on also for that. Saptami, on.
On, upon. Yeah. Upon sounds slightly better than on, that's all. Okay. On doesn't have the same richness that upon has in my brain. Because on seems to be too locative, whereas upon is little more flexible for temporal usage.
Okay.
Right. Here there is a little sense of temporal usage. When I mean temporal, I mean time element. Right. So that's why my brain switches to upon rather than on. Okay. But on has nothing only locative about on, nothing only locational about on. It can be also temporal. So yes. Somehow upon sounds better English to me. That's all. It may be just false sense.
If I have a quick thought on this one, if I may share. So when we look at Saptami Vibhakti, it happens may par. In Hindi, you use it in place of may par. So similarly, Sati Saptami comes like par. Ye hone par, ye hoga.
But Mahodaya, only one caution. There has to be a action going to Saptami. Not just location alone won't generate Sati Saptami Bhava. Right? Grihe Asmi doesn't have any Sati Saptami Bhava. It's a simple Adhikarana Saptami.
Got it. Yes.
Right. Grihe Agati Sati. Then there is a Sati Saptami because there is some action related.
Grihe Gamyamane Sati.
Actually, Grihe Gamyamane Sati or Rame Agati Sati. Grihe Agati is weird. You can say when the house comes like that. Yeah.
Rame Gamyamane.
Rame Griham Gamyamane. Griham will go to karma position rather than Grihe Agate. Anyway. But sometimes we use that phrase when the house comes like that. That sense you can use in Sanskritam, nothing wrong. Okay. When the house approaches. That means when I approach the house is how we interpret it. So I think you got it. The action has to be there. That is the important thing. Okay. Savitayam Gayantyam Anuja Nartanam Kritavati. Upon Savita singing, or actually in this case upon also doesn't fit because when Savita was singing, so when is fitting better. When Savita was singing, okay, younger sister she danced. So when Savita was singing, her younger sister danced like that. Okay, I am assuming her younger sister. Okay, some younger sister danced, but usually in such a context, Savitayaha Anuja only we have to take, or it can be somebody named Anuja. Can be a proper noun like my name. Okay. Bale, so that is Saptami Ekavachana, Strilinga. Bale Patati Mata Bhita. See, nowhere they have deliberately not used the Sati and Satsu, all those variants. They just want to train us to not overuse that. Okay, so that you start tuning our brain to this Saptami pairing of action with a Karta, action with a Karta, action with a Karta. Both Karta and action going to Saptami. Okay, they're just warming our brain to that concept. Okay, Savitayam Gayantyam Anuja Nartanam Kritavati. Bale Patati Mata Bita. Upon the boy falling or the Yeah, boy. Upon the boy falling, the mother was scared, like that. Okay. It doesn't mean that mother is scared that the boy will fall. If you want to say the mother is scared that the boy will fall, then there is some other way to construct that. Okay. Balaha patati iti mata bhita bhavati. Like that. Okay. So you have to, that patati is actual lat. Okay. Huh. Balaha patati iti mata bhita bhavati. Like that. Sadakeshu japatsu naradaha agatavan. Sadakeshu, Saptami Bahuvachana. Sadakaha means some practitioner, clearly, some yogi or something like that. Sadakeshu japatsu. Upon the practitioners of japa, when japa is being done, while or when, while can be used because it's a shatru. So while the japa is being done, Naradaha agatavan. Narada came at that time. So when did Narada come? Naradaha kada agatavan. Naradaha sayankale agatavan. Naradaha ashtavadane agatavan. That's what they started off with. If you remember the morning lesson, they started off with. Normally we say when he came, so we say a time, we say. Okay. But here now the time element is now shifted to some action being present. Some other action being present as the trigger for this agamana kriya. That's all. Okay. That is not the reason why Narada came. Remember, I mean, sometimes it can be, but it is like the temporal trigger for this action. That's all. So you can also say yada Naradaha agatavan tada sadakaha japantaha asan. That is also correct. It is not that Narada came because they were doing japa. In some cases, such a thing is true, but not in these kind of cases. Okay. Sadakeshu japatsu Naradaha agatavan. So don't always take it as because this action happened, that action happened. No. This is just giving a temporal link, a time link to that action. Kada Naradaha agatavan. So this phrase answers kada in another way. Yes, Bhagini.
Mahodaya, quick point number 3. It should be 7 dot 3 dot pullinga.
1 minute. Bhagini, let Bhagini ask. Then you ask. Yeah, Bhagini.
Mahodaya, just to have a clear understanding, here for Sati Saptami to happen, there should be 2 subjects and 2 actions done by the different subjects. Am I right?
Yeah, it can be same subject. It is rare that the same subject is involved in A and B. Okay, we normally use it as somebody else's action triggering A's action triggering B, like that. Yes.
Okay, I'm a little confused with the second one. Balikasu Khidyamanasu Santosha Varta Prapta. The Santosha Varta Prapta
just Bhagini,
might
just
be
Bhagini,
for someone
Bhagini,
else.
just go with this question. For every one of them, I will ask you, Kada vrishtihi arabda? Answer is not saptavadane or sayankale. Yada kage dayamane sati vrishtihi arabda. When the bird was flying, the rain started, like that. Okay.
That is well understood. The first sentence.
Same thing goes with everything. Kada santosha varta prapta. Kada pitarah santushtaha. Kada lalitayaha uttaha pravruttaha. Same way, everything you can answer kada with that action being being the time of that action being that same time as this action starting. Okay.
They are related only in terms of time. They are not a dependent clause. That's
Not
what
always.
you say.
You cannot conclusively. The way you are concluding is my fear. Okay. It can be a dependent clause, but it need not be.
Okay.
For example, you can, if you say megaha garjama meghaya, we have to use Strilinga, meghayam garjamanayam or something like that. Okay, just let us take it. Don't worry about the grammar aspect of that. Meghayam garjamanayam vrishtihi arabda. Then you cannot say they are not related, right? The cloud is the one who starts the vrishti also. Right? So it is rarer, but it is possible that the action one karta is involved in action 2 also.
Okay. Yeah.
or the garjana of the mega is one of the clauses for the rain to start off. You know, it need not be also. Yeah, now Mahodaya, another Mahodaya had a question.
Oh, sorry, Mahodaya. I was just pointing number 3. It should be
Hmm.
7.3. Pullinga. Shabda.
1 minute. Mahodaya, you unmute again. Some other noise is coming. I'm unable to focus. Just unmute yourself again and ask, sir.
Sure. Mahodaya, number 3. I thought the answer was 7.3. Pullinga.
No, I made a mistake there.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yeah, I told. Actually, 7.3 it is. It's a Tankana dosha from my end, or basically my brain freeze at that time. Okay, Sadhakeshu, I finished this. So guys, so the focus is now this nice pale blue, pale pink and pale yellow boxes. Okay, so we have to mug these up. Okay, Sati Satyoho Satsu, Satyam Satyoho Satishu. This blue for Pullinga and Napumsakalinga and this pink for Strilinga. I have used very compatible modern colors if you notice. Okay, so then here the same goes here. Okay, so Napumsaka and Pullinga get blue, so we men get clubbed with the Napumsakas very aptly, and then the ladies have an exclusive case for themselves. So Gacchati Gacchatoho Gachatsu Vardamane Vardamanayoho Vardamaneshu. What is the difference? This is Shatru, this is Shanach Saptami. Okay. And remember, of course, Natva, etc. in some cases, little variations will happen, but generally Natva is a separate subject. So I've just taken some particular dhatu here and gone. So Gacchati Gacchatoho Gachatsu Vardamane Vardamanayoho Vardamaneshu. Okay, and then Gacchantyam Gaccantyoho Gacchantishu. Same thing in Strilinga and same Vardamana. So Vardamanayam Vardamanayoho Vardamana. So it so happens that Dvivachana in Shanach is overlapping. Vardamanayoho Vardamanayoho, like that. It so happens. Others are all distinct. Okay, so these are important for us. So these become our reference cards for survival. Okay, reference cards for survival. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let us now say some serious. So luckily what I did, I put our reference cards already here. Okay, because at this time we are still learning. I'm not trying to test your memory. I'm just trying to get your logic straightforward. That's all. Okay. See, at some of us here are at this other end of the life. For us, the logic is what we enjoy, not the memory aspect, because that is very challenging. Some of you youngsters are there. You don't need all these cards. Okay, that's fine. So etesham satsaptami rupam likata gacchan chatraha gacchati chatre. So we just have to shift it to saptami, both the namapada associated and the action. Okay, all right. So crowd source again. Rudan balakaha.
Ruditi balake.
Rudati balake. Ishwara
Ruditi, right?
Rudati, na?
No, it is Rudati. Rudati.
No, not Ruditi. Rudati.
Yeah, it is Rudati.
Rudati balake. So Saptami Ekavachana Pullinga Shatru. Whoa. What is that? 1 minute. Somebody was screaming. I hope it was somebody's grandson screaming with them.
Sir, in the yellow box upstairs, it will be Satto Sattu na for Pullinga.
Sati Satyoho Satsu. I have it right. See, Sati Satyoho Satsu. Satyam Satyoho Sati.
Correct.
Here only it is there. Sati Satoho. Oh, you're right, Bhagini. I have an error. Satyoho is not. It is Satoho. Oh, Satoho. Very interesting. I have to cross check that.
At page 65, I saw, sir. Satto.
Satoho is correct, I think. So then I have error in both phrases. Let me correct it. So Strilinga, they didn't give an example. Vadantyoho, Satyoho. See, I think I put the Strilinga form for Pullinga also. So for Pullinga, it seems to be Satoho. So Sati Satoho Satsu, and for Strilinga, Satyam Satyoho Satsu. So there I have it right. So Pullinga, I should have had Satoho, not Satyoho. That was that was incorrect. Okay, here I have got it right now. Same way as Gacchatoho, Gaccantyoho, Satoho, Satyoho. So it was staring at us, the mistake. Sorry about that. Thanks for pointing it out. Okay. So rudati balake. So both are in Saptami Pullinga Shatru. Okay. So today all the thing we are going to learn is only Shatru Shanach. Okay. Later on they are going to show us extension of the Sati Saptami for the other Kridanta. Okay. Chalayanti Chalika.
Chalayanti.
Strilinga Bahuvachana.
Chalayanti.
This one, right? Pink table. Go for this dhatu portion. So it is a shatru. So gachantishu like that. So chalayantishu chalikasu like that. Chalayan. Oh, singular. Sorry, singular. Ekam. I'm doing bahuvachana. So chalayantyam chalikayam. We have to go for gachantyam. So chalayantyam chalikayam. I did bahuvachana. I'm sorry about that. So chalayantyam chalikayam. I don't know why I pronounce this tishu and all that. Okay. Nrityan nartakaha.
Nrityati nartake.
Nrityati nartake. Nartakaha is pullinga. So nrityati. So this is in pratama, right? So nrityati nartake. Very correct. Nrityati nartake. Saptami ekavachana pullinga shatru. So I am identifying all the qualities there. Okay. So patat parnam.
Patati Parna.
Patati parne.
Patati parne. Very good. It declines the same way as pullinga, though it is napumsaka, because after third vibhakti it is copycat. So patati parne. Very good. But you have to tag it as napumsaka. Remember that. Okay. Udgachat kshiram.
Udgachati Kshire.
Again napumsaka. Udgachati kshire. Upon the milk boiling over. Like that. Okay. Poriyirdu, whatever we say in Tamil, that one. Ukkuvudu. Ukkurdu. Bhashamanaha nirvahakaha.
Bhashamanashu
Bhashamanaha is similar to this one, right? So Bhashamanaha is bahuvachana of Bhashamanaha. So bahuvachana of Vardhamane is Vardhamaneshu. Same way Bhashamaneshu will come. Bhashamaneshu nirvahakeshu. Bhashamaneshu nirvahakeshu. Lepayantyah tarunyah. Lepayantishu cha tarunishu. Very good. Very good. Okay. So bahuvachana strilinga shatru. Okay. Lepayanti has gone to lepayantyam, lepayantyo, lepayantishu. Okay. And see, the earlier example was the first shanach we encountered in the list. That's why I put it out red alert there. Restore shatru. So yeah, you see the difference in declensions, right? You will get to know. At least the mana is very clearly staring at us and there is no mana. But still later on, we have to become professional in identifying the difference from shatranta with its other declensions of the other ktavatu, ukta endings of the gamdat. So this shanach is very, very easy because you can pick it up just like that. Mana comes. So it's very at the face type of variation, right? Not so for some of the other kridanta. So you have to be a little cautious. Ganayantyah apanikaha. Ganayantaha. See, apanikaha is pullinga. Ganayantaha. See, ganayati. See, ganayantau, ganayantaha. Okay. Ganayantaha apanikaha. Pullinga bahuvachana. Saptami you have to take.
Ganayatsu
Ganayatsu apanikasu.
Apanikasu. Apanikeshu, Rameshu. Very correct. Okay, Akaranta declension. Okay, so Akaranta declension. So Ganayatsu Apanikeshu. The two are not tracking. Okay, one is like Akaranta, another is like Takaranta. So it has its own declension. So Ganayatsu Apanikeshu. Okay. All right. So tricky. They have thrown a tricky one at us. So hasantyah sutaha.
Asantishu
Sutasu.
This pair. Okay, this pair. So hasantishu sutasu, gachantishu vartama. Okay, so somebody. So hasantishu sutasu. Okay. Hasantishu sutasu. When so, over time you will pick it up. It is a little
It
tricky.
is very easy when to use and when to
Akara, like you said, no, Bhagini?
yeah. And
Yeah,
if it is
yeah.
o, then it is sa. But if it is any other swara, then it is sha.
Sure. Okay. So Bhagini's Paninian rule will accept for now until it is
That is very
disproven.
helpful. That rule is very helpful. Thank
Very
you.
helpful, very helpful hint. Second time she's reminding us today. So Jigrantaha Pachakaha.
Jigratsu pachakeshu.
Jigratsu Pachakeshu. Well done. Jigratsu, because pulling a bahuvachana. Jigratsu Pachakeshu. Pachaka decline similar to Vardhamaneshu, so it's kind of pairs like that. But this one is an action declension and that one is a name declension, so it's slightly different. Okay, proper name declension. So like this. So we got the hang of it, I think. No. So avarane dattanam shabdanam saptami rupam likata. So this is a slightly different variant basically. Ramaha gachan dasharatah apatat. Now this one is simply giving the pratama vibhakti example. So Rame gacchati dasharatah apatat would be the translation. First one I just did it to help you out. So Rame gacchati, upon Rama departing. Okay, I'm taking the sense of departure here. By context, we know that. Upon Rama going is all that is saying. Upon Rama going, Dasharatha fell. Okay, like that's all it says. Okay. So here you see this Gamana Kriya of Rama is clearly the direct cause of Dasharatha falling. There is no accidental temporal overlap. Right? So this is what I was trying to tell here. There is no hard rule that this is the cause of that. But in this sentence, this is the cause of that. Okay. It is also the time of that. It is also the cause of that. In some cases, it's only temporal. There is no causal effect, you can say.
Mahodaya, in Parichaya, when we read also, it said like, Chitrakutam gate rame putra shokaturasthatha.
Correct.
Gate rame. So there.
Same Sati Saptami Prayoga, identical.
Exactly.
So used by the great Valmiki himself. Correct.
At the very next sloka also he used similar one. Gate to tasmin. He said. Gate to tasmin parato. Vasishta pramukaihi dvijaihi. He said that.
Your memory is very good, Mahavya. Hats off to you. Very nice. So there are lots of Sati Saptami usage all over there.
Yes,
fantastic. Especially in Ramayana in the beginning, there is so much action movement. So multiple actions are abound. Yes.
Chalate Vayuvegena Padamegam Nagachadi. Chalate. But in some other it is Chaladi.
Chalate Vayuvegena. Second part?
Vayuvegena Padamegam Nagachadi.
That is Karmani Prayoga.
No. Not Karmani. There is a Sati sense. Chalate.
Chalate.
But Chalati would be the form, right?
Yeah, Chalati, it is in.
So Chalate, I don't know what sense that is, Chalate.
Adi Saptami.
But it is having Ekara. Where is the Chalate declension available? It's not a Shanacham for saying Mane also. So I don't know where the declension Chalate is coming from. I have to look at a little bit more, Mahodaya. Because it would have been Chalati. And if it was Strilinga, it would have been Chalantyam. There is no Chalate form available in Saptami. Unless it is a the type of declension going to Saptami, right? That we will wait for it. Okay. So hold that. I think you gave a good example. it seems to be a different, not Shatranta, that's all. Okay. So Rame gacchati Dasharatha patat. Ha, next one. Damayanti agachanti nalaha rupam parivartitavan.
Damayantyam agachantyam.
Correct, Bhagini. You got it first, fastest finger. Damayantyam agachantyam. Luckily, they are nicely ikaranta, so nicely it goes in pair. Damayantyam agachantyam, like this pair. Okay. All right. So this we know the story, no? Nala Damayanti story. So apparently, when Damayanti approached, there was a trick played on her. Okay. Lot of the devatas also who were there converted themselves to look like Nala to confuse. And then, but Damayanti is so steadfast, he is able to identify the original Nala. So it's a kind of a tricky test for her. Nala Damayanti Swayamvara. Okay. Lakshmanaha anudhavan mrigaha adhavat.
Lakshmane Anudhavati.
Anudhavati, very correct. Lakshmane Anudhavati
Anudhavati.
Adhavat. Okay. So upon Lakshmana following it, the deer ran away. Something like that. Okay. Lakshmane Anudhavati. Draupadi Ahvayanti. That is of course in Ekavachana. Krishi Krishna Akshaya Vastram Anugrihitavan.
Draupadyam ahvayantyam.
Draupadyam, correct. Draupadyam, Saptami. Draupadyam ahvayantyam. Ahvayantyam. Sri Krishna Akshaya Vastram Anugrihitavan. So this is when, you know, of course, the Kauravas were defaming her by stripping her sari, right? So upon the invitation, or basically prayer here, upon the prayer of Sri Krishna, so of Draupadi's, upon the prayer of Draupadi, Sri Krishna granted her an infinite vastra, like that, one which doesn't have end. Beautiful. Draupadyam ahvayantyam. So Indraha yachamanaha.
Indre Yachamane.
Indre Yachamane.
Very easy. Indre yachamane Karnaha santushtaha. So upon Indra begging, Karna became happy. Sarve panakam pibantah shrantihi nirgata.
Sarveshu panakam pibatsu.
Sarveshu
Very good.
panakam
Pibatsu. See, very good. First time they threw in a karma pada. We have seen earlier sentence, karma pada won't shift. Okay. See, the Pratama Vibhakti set has to go to Saptami. Sarveshu pibatsu, something like that. Okay. So Sarveshu panakam pibatsu. By everyone, the same karma panaka upon drinking, upon the act of everybody drinking panakam, the tiredness went away. The lady tiredness ran away. To translate it literally in English. Gopikaha smarantyah Krishnaha agatah eva.
Gopikayam smarantyam.
Gopikaha bahuvachana.
Gopikasu smarantishu.
Smarantishu. So Gopikasu smarantishu. Okay, Gopikayam Gopikayo Kayoho Gopikasu. Something like Gopikasu smarantishu. Very good. So I guess you guys have got that. Let's see one or two examples of this. Udaharananugunam vakyani parivartayata. According to the example, what they did. Yada vidushakaha vinodakarikam vadannasit tada sarve hasitavantaha. So the long form, but it is the easier form for us to understand. We know this yada tada business. Okay, because we are all yadva tadva guys. So yada vidushakaha vinodakanikam vadan asit, when the joker was telling the joke, tada sarve kanikam, one joke. Okay, when he was telling the joke, one joke. Okay. Tada sarve hasitavantaha. At that time, everybody laughed. Okay. Vidushake vinoda kanikam vadati. Sati is implicit. Sarve hasitavantaha. So vidushake vadati. Kim vadati? Vinoda kanikam. So karma pada remains. Sarve hasitavantaha. So it's much shorter than that long form. We are 3 words short. Okay, because the asit also went away. So now yada vahanam agachat asit tada balaha dhavitavantah.
वाहने आगच्छति बालाः
बालाः
धावन्तः
धावितवन्तः
Vahane agachati
Sati आसीत्
balaha dhavitavantah.
धावितवन्तः
You don't need sati, nothing. So very short. Vahane agachati balaha dhavitavantah. Upon the vehicle coming, all the boys ran to it to procure their sweets. Yada mata putram smaranti asit tada putraha agatavan.
मातरि पुत्रं स्मरन्त्यां पुत्रः
Matari
आगतः
putram smarantyam. Rest is easy. Matari putram smarantyam putraha agatavan. Matari putram smarantyam putraha agatavan. So mata matri shabda declension challenge. Mata mataro matarah he mataro he matarah he matuhu, something like that comes. Anyway, it's a tough one declension. We'll have to practice. यदा अर्चकः पूजयन् आसीत् तदा पुष्पप्रसादः प्राप्तः. अर्चकः
अर्चके पूजयति
अर्चके पूजयति पुष्पप्रसादः प्राप्तः. So you can delete yada, asit and tada. Yada Ravindra.
Peculiar signature of getting God's response when somebody is praying. So when a flower falls on its own from the idol, so people consider God has responded.
It may be very strategic knowledge on the part of the archaka to know how to place the hara to get the correct result.
Not just that, any archaka, even an unknown person's also, sometimes it so accidentally also happens with many
No, it
people.
happens. We say if it falls from this side, it is good, and if okay, if it falls from the other side, we ignore it. Yada Ravindrah Katayan Asit tada aham mama balyam smrutavati. So Ravindrah and
कथयति
Ravindre Katayati. You guys got the game. Aham balyam mama balyam smrutavati. So some lady is telling this, and Ravindra is in Pullinga. Ravindre Katayati. Yada bhaktaah smarantah asan bahuvachana tada Vishnuhu agatah.
भक्तेषु
स्मरन्तेषु
Smaratsu. See, gachatsu.
स्मरत्सु
Bhakteshu smaratsu. Bhakteshu smaratsu. So this blue, pink and all is very critical for us now. Okay. And use them only to learn. At least we know how to decline akarantas and all. Here ikaranta. So, but yeah, it helps for the namapada also. Okay. Yada baginyah hasantyah asan tada pita agatavan.
भगिनीषु हसन्तीषु
Baginishu hasantishu. Very good. Shatra. Again Shatra. Everything is I think they have not given much shanach here. Okay. Baginishu hasantishu pita agatavan. Upon the, I mean, when the sisters were laughing, the father came. Here, see, contextually we have to go when or upon. In English, we have to take the sense. In Samskrita, we take the Vakya Spota to get the meaning. Okay. Yada shikshaka पाठयन्ति शिक्षिका क्षम्यतां यदा शिक्षिका पाठयन्ती आसीत् तदा परिवीक्षकः परिशीलितवान् एग्जामिनर् परिवीक्षकः शिक्षिका पाठयन्त्यां शिक्षिकायां पाठयन्त्यां परिवीक्षकः परिशीलितवान्. So when the lady teacher was teaching, the examiner, he examined how she was teaching or how the students were focusing. Yada saha griha nirmanam kurvan asit tada ishtikah patitaha. Ayyo.
तस्मिन् कुर्वति
गृहनिर्माणं कुर्वति इष्टिकाः पतिताः.
We have to keep saha and go to saptami. Tasmin, somebody is expert here already declining. Very good. Tasmin griha nirmanam stays in karma position. Kurvati. Tasmin griha nirmanam kurvati ishtikah patitaha. Bad builder. Ishtika means bricks. Okay. Itti. Okay, so I think let us do this slide at least so that I feel a little happy. It's been a little slow progress today, but I think we had a little tough subject today, this Sati Saptami.
Yeah.
It is a
Sati
bit of a
Saptami.
challenge. It's a new type of thought process of applying a vibhakti little beyond the normal sense of Adhikarana. Okay, especially with the Kridantas going to Saptami and all, it can be challenging. Okay, Padasangraha, very easy. Mruj, to clean. Ya, to go. Rudir, to weep. Rodana. Then Rudhir, to stop. See? Rodhana, Rodana. How different they are. Okay. Rudhir, to stop. Okay. We use this in our languages also. Of course, we don't use Rodana so much nowadays. In Kannada, it is there. Rodisudu and Virodha Paksha is so much. So Rudh dhatu. Okay. Then Lap, to speak. See, Lapati. Lepyamane, something we saw. Actually, at that time, I should have gone into the meaning. There was actually this was used in the earlier sentence today. This dhatu.
That is Lepa, Mahodaya.
Oh,
This
that is painting. Oh,
this is Lapa. This is like Pralapati, Vilapati.
Hugely different.
Like earlier that you told it is Rodati, it is all here Roditi.
Roditi. Oh.
Earlier.
Oh, that is Rudhat, right?
Rud.
Rutita. All the.
Rudati.
See, wait. There must be two. Let me just quickly go and see. There must be another dhatu. Just let us clarify. Good question. Mahodaya has found something maybe. So let us see.
It is Roditi, Ruditaha, Rudanti. That is how it goes, correct?
Roditi, not Rudati. He was right. He was absolutely correct. There is no another Rud dhatu. There is only one.
Roditi.
Sometimes these dhatus occurs in different ganas and take different number. Okay. So sometimes they have two types of declension. But this dhatu is nothing like that. This Rud dhatu has only one type belonging to second gana. And it does decline as Roditi, Ruditaha, Rudanti. It is a strange guy. Roditi, Ruditaha, Rudanti. Rodati is incorrect. But it takes this Roda form in Bhuta and all that. Very interesting. In Lang, it goes to Arodat, Arodit, like that. Let us see in Karmani what it is.
Was it as the Rudhati?
Karmani, it goes Rudyate. So it is even more different. So there is no Rodati form at all. That was a complete mistake on my part to have. I apologize for the error. Okay, it is from the simplicity of knowledge and declension by brain of something that is not familiar. So Rudit, that place we have to go correct it. Very good. So these are the dhatus. So some declension. So very quickly, let us take something easy. Ya. Okay, and go through some examples. So Yati. So Ramaha Yati. Rama goes like that. Tvaraya Shyamaha Shauchagriham Pratiyati. See, this you will hear more in this Pratiyati form a little more in classic. Okay, so with haste, Shyama approaches the bathroom for whatever sad reason. Here the picture. Okay, then Yayate. So Balakena Yayate. So same thing we can say Tvaraya Shyamena Shauchagriham Prati Yayate, like that. Okay, and then Yasyati, tomorrow. Okay, so Shvaha Yasyati, Shvaha goes. Yatavyam must be gone to, must be gone. Yaniyam should be gone, same sense. Yataha, Yata, Yatam. So some Pullinga thing was gone too. So some karma, if it is the karma of the Gamana Kriya is a Pullinga Shabda, then Yataha will come. Okay, like that will go. Yatavan Yatavati, Ramaha Yatavan, Sita Yatavati, Bhuta Kridanta Kartari, Yan Ti Nti. So this has two forms in Strilinga. So Ramaha Yan Asit. Rama was going. Gachan Asit, Yan Asit. Now, don't ask me what could be the difference between gam dhatu and ya dhatu? That much subtlety, only way we can get it is to go into the Shastra texts and see the usage by our ancients to get a sense of what could be the subtle variation of the dhatu meaning. But for all rough purposes now, it simply means to go. But this definitely will be sometimes region specific usage, sometimes a slightly subtly different meaning of going. Okay, also is there.
Mahodaya, maybe it's like yana is there, no? There is a word yana, prayana.
Yatra is also coming from this, right?
Yeah.
Yati is more related to traveling from one town to another town, related to yatra, where some traverse through a Jataka Bandi or something like that is there, like you said, with a yanam. So correct. Whereas simple gamanam may not have that sensitivity of travel. So this may be more like travels, and gachati may be more like goes. Okay. Yeah. Very good. So you got the sense almost there. So the way I have used it is not great, but it's okay. Nothing wrong there. So like this meaning. So yatva prayaya, having gone and having gone in a specific way. Yatum, in order to go, like that. Okay. All right. So like that, the other dhatus you guys can go. All of them are parasmaipadi today. Marshti, yati. See this one, marshti. Very tough dhatu. That's why I didn't pick it up. But you guys do this exercise, even though you're not familiar with the dhatu, just to throw some sample sentences, you start, your brain starts storing it much better. Huh? You have to do it yourself. You have to mouth it and write it, in your notebook. Okay, do that exercise and we will call it a day. So let's gather back next week and keep plowing through the lesson 9, and hopefully by couple of weekends of first couple of weekends of August we should be done. Okay. Earlier for Parichaya and all, I did a question paper review and all that, but I don't see much point of that. Some sample question papers have been sent. So you guys have learned these lessons well, and we would have done so up till 10th lesson by the time we finish. I'm not too keen on doing something like a question paper review. Okay, but if you are very, very keen, some of you, no, let us walk through one, then I'll prepare for that and we can spend an hour and a half on some example question paper also. Okay, but I would like to avoid that if possible. Okay, and conclude with the proper lessons. So let's call it a day. Thank you very much, and let's meet next week as usual on Saturday and continue our yatra.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste.
Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ.